everybody, welcome to SSB Tales, and in this particular video we are going to look at what are the different SSB centers that we have across the country for conducting the SSB. Okay, so what happens whenever you clear written examination, or there are some entries by which you can directly give SSBs to get through the defense service, to get into the defense services, right? So you are being called up by some board, SSB boards. Okay, so SSB, it stands for Service Selection Board. So this board will give you a call up letter, and then you would have to give your SSB in that particular through that particular board in a certain center. Okay, now which board will call you out, it will depend that are you going for the Army SSB, Indian Air Force SSB, or Indian Navy SSB. Okay, see, more clarity you will have when we'll move ahead, but simply you just need to understand there are various boards, okay, that are present across the country, and they will call you up as per the entry that you have filled the form for, and for what is the preference for the for joining the which sort of service. Is it for Indian Army, Indian Navy, or Indian Air Force? Okay, so for Indian Army, what are the boards that we have? So whenever the SSBs are conducted, we such boards we call it to be the Service Selection Board. Okay, so we have one selection center East, Allahabad. Okay, so what happens? See, these are the centers, the places I will tell you in this particular slide. These are the centers, and in those centers you would have various boards, right? So these are big places, so there are various boards, and each board will have its separate GTO, will have separate psychologist, will have the separate interviewer, and the president will be separate of all the boards. Okay, and it can happen that here multiple SSBs are happening, because see, for example, if you talk about Prayagraj itself, initially it was Allahabad, now the name has been changed to Prayagraj. Okay, so there we have various boards. We have, for example, 11 SSB, it is in your Prayagraj only. Okay, then 14 SSB is in your Prayagraj only, 18 SSB is in your Prayagraj only, and in fact you must have heard a lot of people who are saying that mine is 11 SSB, 18 SSB, right? So their board was for 11, the board was 11 board, but because we have a common center for more than one boards, so we call it that okay, unki Allahabad mein padi thi. Okay, then we have 19 SSBs in Allahabad, and then 34 SSBs also in Allahabad. Okay, so there are these five boards that are there in the in your Prayagraj, okay, selection service center. Now it can happen that in 11 SSB one like IMA entry is happening, in your 14 SSB आपकी NCC entry हो रही है. वैसे तो IMA NCC की usually उतने साथ नहीं पड़ती है, ठीक है. For example, NCC entry हो रही है, in 18 SSB OTA entry is happening, in 19 SSB some technical entry is happening, right? So all boards, they are going through their own separate processes, right? But it's a big center, so there are multiple entries that are being assessed at the same time only in different boards. Okay, then we have another center which is your selection center Central Bhopal. Okay, so what is there all across the country? So one center it is in east, one center is in center, one center it is in south region, right? So different like each part of the country there are centers. ठीक है, तो जो आपका सिलेक्शन सेंटर सेंट्रल है वो कहाँ पे है? वो भोपाल में, जो कि मध्य प्रदेश में. Here we have for army, currently we are discussing army, right? So for army we have 20 SSB, 21 SSB, and 22 SSB. There is one more board in Bhopal SSB, but that conducts for navy, that is why I am not mentioning over here. ठीक है, तो for example, if somebody asks you or somebody tells you that mine is like 20 SSB, I've been called up for via 20 SSB, so it means their 20 SSB has called in the Bhopal center, so their SSB will be conducted in the Bhopal center. So definitely you don't have to mug up these centers name, but many people they get confused, right? What is 11, 12, 10, whatever that is there, not 10 is not there, right? But to give you an understanding, I'm just telling you that. Another place that you can be called for the SSB interview is your Bangalore. ठीक है, तो Bangalore में we have 12, 17 and 24 we have in Bangalore. ठीक है, and one it is in Kapurthala. ठीक है, अब तो ये जलंधर में शिफ्ट हो गया. ठीक है, जलंधर में हो गया अब ये शिफ्ट recently. So there we have 31 and 32 SSB that boards are there. ठीक है, and they conduct your army SSBs. For Air Force selection we have one, that is one AFSB which is in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Second AFSB is in Mysore. So Mysore it is also known as 2 AFSB. So you've been asked or you've been told that my AFSB is in 2 AFSB. So it's clear clear cut, it is in Mysore. Now unlike the army SSB, where I've seen that in a center there were multiple boats that were there, so they were continuously and a lot of people were giving their SSBs at different time. ठीक है, अब यहाँ AFSB में क्या होता है, at one time only one batch SSB is conducted. So in one AFSB, if there is a women batch, so it will be just women batch SSB FCAT entry, it will be there. If it's a men NDA batch, so एक ही batch होगा. ऐसे multiple boards are not there. Then we have two AFSB. Then Gandhinagar is your 3 AFSB, which is in Gujarat. Fourth one is your AFSB Varanasi, it's in Uttar Pradesh, and the fifth one being your AFSB Guwahati. It is also known as 5 AFSB. ठीक है, 5 AFSB Guwahati में है आपकी. Now if you are going for the naval entry, then in that cases your first can be your NSB Coimbatore, ठीक है, Tamil Nadu. Second one is your 12 SSB at your Bangalore. ठीक है, तो जो 12 SSB of Bangalore है वो किसके लिए कंडक्ट कराती है, वो कराती है नेवल के लिए. ठीक है, 33 SSB, where when I was telling you about SSB, I told you, right, 20, 21 and 22 board in Bhopal they conduct for the SSB, for the army SSB, right, but the 33rd board it conducts for the Bhopal. Similarly in Bangalore में जो 12th board है, जो 12th SSB है, जो 12th service selection board है, that conducts for what, that conducts for your navy. And then we have one SSB Kolkata also. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी आपका naval entry means you will go here if you have your naval SSB, means one of these centers and one of these boards which we have discussed today, there you would have your SSB. एक और है naval selection board NSB, which is in Vizag. ठीक है, तो these are the boards for your naval entries. Okay, so that was all in this video. I hope you have the clarity now. If you want me to cover any topic, any confusion you have, you can let me know and I'll make a video on that. Thank you everybody and all the very best for your SSB.